Guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step why I, the channel, and many other Iraqi Dinar reporters or YouTube channels got it wrong. We were very, very wrong to compare the Iraqi Dinar to Kuwaiti Dinar. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why and how we got it so very wrong. Is one of the biggest misunderstandings in the IQD community. The Iraqi dinar situation is completely different from what happened to Kuwait after the Gulf War. When Iraq invaded Kuwait in 1990, Kuwait already had a strong currency that was traded internationally and recognized on the global financial markets. The Kuwaiti dinar already had real value before the invasion. In simple terms, the currency was already connected to the world economy. Now, when Iraq occupied Kuwait, the Kuwaiti banking system collapsed temporarily. Kuwait's currency value dropped because the country itself was under military occupation. But once Kuwait was liberated, its government and banking systems returned. The currency simply went back to its previous international recognized value. That is why Kuwait's situation is often called a reinstatement rather than a brand new revaluation. The Iraqi dinar is different, and this is where we made the mistake. I, the channel, and other YouTubers that report on the IQD. The modern Iraqi dinar that we hold today was created after the 2003 war. Iraq printed an entirely new currency system after Saddam Hussein was removed. Now, since then, the IQD has operated mostly at controlled domestic currency only inside of Iraq. This is called a closed currency. Now, this is the key point that we missed, or many people missed. The IQD has never freely traded on the open international Forex market like the major world currencies, like the Kuwaiti Dinar. Currencies on the open market move constantly based on supply, demand, exports, interest rates, economic strength, political stability, and investor confidence. The Kuwaiti dinar was already functioning in that international arena system before Iraq attacked them. Iraq's exchange rate has been heavily managed by the Central Bank of Iraq, the CBI. The bank sets the official exchange rate and controls how the currency interacts with the international market. That means there is no true global market price for the IQD. Okay, let me repeat that. There is no global Forex per se market price for the IQD. The world only knows the IQD value to be that of which the CBI, the Central Bank of Iraq, has placed on it. The IQD, yes, the listing IQD is on the Forex market, but it doesn't go up and down. It's not freely traded. Yes, the IQD is an exotic currency. It's not even a minor, it's an exotic currency. And it's definitely not a major. But this is what we have done in the past. We have compared the IQD to the Kuwaiti Dinar. And that's just not right. The Kuwaiti Dinar is one of the major currencies in the world. The IQD is an exotic currency that is not freely traded on the Forex market. That's the difference, guys. That's what we failed to explain to you so that you could understand more clearly that the Kuwaiti Dinar and the IQD, that's apples to oranges.